talk about how can you select private chat sounds or notifications on your Telegram X app. So all you have to do, so you just go above this sign, click on it here. When you just click on it here, so that it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then all you have to do, you just click here on settings here, so that it's going to take you to this tip here. Then all you have to do, just go down here, so then you click here on notifications. When you just click on it, then it's going to take you to next tip here. Then you click here on private chats, click on it here. So when you just click on it, come to next tip here. So then you click here on sound. Then it's going, when you click on sound here, it's going to show for you list here. That here can you select private chat sounds here in this list. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.